Hi, I'm Darlene Ferris-Labar, Professor of Art and Design at East Stroudsburg University. We are G3D Lab, which is a Stratasys Super Lab. We are 1 out of 5 universities in the nation and 1 out of 7 universities in the world to receive this groundbreaking printer. Experience using this printer will give our ESU students an incredible advantage over students from other universities around the world. Students from all disciplines taking art and design classes that emphasize 3D printing will gain knowledge that can be implemented into their own area of study. Because of this printer, there is nothing like this 3D printing lab in Pennsylvania. And yes, we have it here at ESU.
Joining me now on the program is Joni Oy-Benintende. She is the Department Chair of the Art and Design Department here at East Stroudsburg University. Joni, great to have you on the program.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
We're here to talk about 3D design. What exactly is 3D design?
Well, this is our 3D design and 3D additive manufacturing and fabrication laboratory. Our students learn to create product design mostly using digital software and then fabricating them using any number of tools, laser cutters, CNC milling machines, and our 3D printers.
What do you see as some of the benefits of having a 3D lab right here at the university?
Well, we can use it across, and we have been using it across a lot of different disciplines. And many of our students are dual majors. All students are making prototypes for their product designs. So it's been used across the curriculum. We've had students from geology come here and create 3D printed maps.
Darlene, show us some of the practical things that the students and everybody's working on here.
Sure. We have quite a diverse table here of applications. The typical art and design student now is capable of creating not only the self-expression here, sculpture, to biology. These are diatoms. And we're really excited also about the medical applications. This is a heart that was designed. Here you have multiple materials which have various color and also different densities as well. We have really soft to really hard. So then doctors could then have a replica of a heart to examine, to practice, before they actually go forth with the procedure.
People are used to designing in 2D, but 3D is not easy.
3D is definitely a different mindset. To think in 3D is very difficult for most people, but we will teach software 3D design to the students. We do 3D scanning. There's so many different possibilities on how to acquire that 3D data that a printer would read.
Now I'm with Jocelyn Kolb-DeWitt. Jocelyn, let's talk about the whole procedure here. First of all, we get a design, like maybe you can get a template, or maybe you can design something free on your own if you're really good at it, right?
Well, that's a lot of what I teach. As a product designer, who do you think made that shape of your toothbrush? So we have modeling programs like Rhinoceros 3D or SolidWorks, and we take them and we teach the students how to, digitally sculpt those forms. And then from there, we show them how to take those files and get them print ready. And STLs are the file format that almost all 3D printers use.
Now, I know that you have different size 3D printers here. Mm-hmm. The latest is this one behind us, which is the latest and greatest. This is fantastic. Yeah. You were telling me that this works in a little bit different dimensions or DPI. It's more like a high resolution 3D printer.
Yeah, so the really nice thing about this is, one, it's very high resolution. So the layer thickness is 14 microns, which means really thin, like thinner than paper. But the other great thing about it is that it prints in multiple materials and full color.
From here, once it's ready, we take it to where next?
So we're going to go to the power washer, which is pretty much how you power wash your deck or your siding.
Is there a final stage once you wash it off?
Nope.
Nope, just dry it and it's ready to go.
That's it, you put it on? Yeah.
Hi, I'm Evelyn Baroni. I'm a junior at East Stroudsburg University, and this is our laser cutter right here. What I've been doing with it is I've actually been creating patterns with the laser cutter to cut away certain types of wood so that it can actually bend without any other treatment. So what I have to do is be able to break it down so that it is flat when it's printed and then reassemble it in a 3D form afterwards.
Hi, I'm Sam Tapshi, and this is a prosthetic hand model that I made here at East Stroudsburg University. The prosthetic hand goes over your hand and bends when you bend the wrist. With this, I hope to be a prosthetic designer someday and maybe revolutionize the way prosthetics are made and seen.
Hello, my name is Michael Shoup. I'm a senior at East Stroudsburg University, and my project here was a project presented by the Student Activities Association. They were looking for chess pieces that could be made into large-scale sizes. They actually all disassemble, and the male and female pieces fit inside of each other so that they could be easily stacked and save space during storage.
Joni, if the public wants to follow you on the internet, can they do that?
Yes, we have a Facebook presence and a Twitter account, so you can find us at ESU G3D Lab.